We are back, and this is pretty big effing news. Excuse my language there, but BTC just crossed $105,000, and we are sitting pretty right now. Let us move in here and see what is going on this extreme short term, because that is an all-time high, ladies and gentlemen. That is an all-time high. That is big. And yeah, we did cross 105K. A few episodes ago, I did say that should BTC be able to hold above this 100K level, which it looks like it has here, at least, you know, for a few days now, that will provide enough confidence in this new psychological area above 100K that we could see a move to the upside. We have now seen that move to the upside. Bitcoin has crossed $105,000 right now. We're sitting at $104,500. And now this is price discovery mode. We are in price discovery mode. Let's go see some technicals on the 1 day. No surprise there. We are in buy territory here. The moving averages are also flashing a strong buy on the daily. Oscillators are currently neutral. Ooh. Let us fix that. Technical difficulties. 1 sec. My people. All right. We are back here. And yes, the MACD level is a sell on the oscillators, which is why most of these oscillators are actually neutral, except for the momentum indicator. The others are neutral. However, the moving averages are all in buy zone, except for the Ichimoku. This one has been persistently neutral, like Switzerland. Ichimoku is the only strong neutral in the moving averages on the daily. Let's go a little bit more short term here. I'm not a super short term guy, full disclosure here. I do dabble in the short term, but I do like the more medium to long term. However, the short terms are all strong buys or buys. We have a strong buy summary here with the relative strength index remaining neutral for the oscillator. The moving averages, again, no surprise here. This is exactly the same as in the daily. The only neutral being the Ichimoku baseline. Right now, Bitcoin is extremely bullish, people. There's no surprises there. No surprises there. Peep over at ETH. ETH has been lagging Bitcoin a little bit. We are currently at 39.45 on ETH. Still facing that 4K resistance. We are still facing that 4K resistance. We have broken out of this previous channel we had here. We can safely delete that. And ETH is looking solid. You know what? I want to pull up ETHBTC because off Coinbase. So yeah, ETHBTC still has been in this downward channel here. Solid downward channel for ETHBTC. Can we get some sort of a pullback from this? That remains to be seen. I would look at this support here at the 0.036 level. And should we fall below this, it might get ugly for ETH. But if we look even more long term, wow, this is a long-term downward channel. Holy smokes, this is a long-term downward channel starting back here in September of 22. I look to ETH support around the 0.03, honestly, even more long-term. Yeah, so if we can't find some sort of bounce here, then ETH is going to be in trouble. However, ETH could potentially find a support at that 0.03 level. Should that occur, we might see a bounce back over 0.05. That would send ETH over $5,000. So a lot to be said there for ETH. But right now, the star of the show is Bitcoin. Bitcoin teetering at the $105,000 level. Bitcoin has reached new all-time highs. This is very impressive for Bitcoin to be doing this. Today is December 15th. And right now we are in price discovery mode. So we just have to wait and see. Bitcoin is the star of the show. And I think we could leave it at that for